So this is my fancy new contraption. It's pretty cool. I'm super excited about it. It's got several different settings. You've got your soft dry, your low, your medium, and your hard dry. It's got a fancy little carrying case and all that good stuff. So I'm excited to show you guys what I think of it. Hope you like it.
Hi pals! Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, welcome. My name is Tiff and I am the Retro Fairy. I like to do vintage styling tutorials and collect really weird vintage things like my friend Martha here. This is Martha. She is going to be in all of my videos now. Also, if you've noticed, I'm trying to figure out my background situation. I'm hoping to find some piece of fabric that is a little bit darker to go over this window eventually. So today, we're going to be playing with one of my newest thrifted finds. I spent $5 on this. It still has a tag on it. Yeah, so let's look inside at all the fun little pieces to this thing. So there is the standard cap attachment, which is great for wet sets. There is this fun little attachment which hooks straight to the hose. I'll figure out how that works in a second. But it also comes with like a brush attachment that hooks right in this little bit, like this, to brush and dry. And then it's got two separate comb attachments, which I'm for the same purpose. Let's blow dry my hair. So far, it's doing an okay job. It's not as high powered as my normal blow dryer, so it's a little odd. Gonna switch attachments and see if that makes a difference. So it's definitely drying it. It's definitely slower than what I'm used to, but let's try the smaller comb attachment. Okay, so even though it's a little bit slower than what I normally am used to, I like it. Now I don't really have to go through and flat iron it, and it looks all shiny and silky, and I did put my normal leave-in products in it, so that might be part of the shiny silky, but normally when I blow dry my hair, it just looks like a big floof ball. And then I have to flat iron it when I'm done. This might be how I blow dry my hair from now on. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Definitely love this vintage blow dryer. It is the GE HD-18. Like I said, I bought it for $5 at a thrift store, so definitely 10 out of 10 would recommend. And it, of course, comes with the super cute carrying case that you can just put it all right back in. It does have a little hook, which I'm guessing that way you can like hang it from a wall and then just like sit down and do your wet set rollers and all that stuff, which if more people want more wet set tutorials, comment down below if you're more interested in that kind of thing. Yeah, so if you want more wet set tutorials, different styles you can do with wet sets, making wet sets last a whole week, anything like that, you can comment down below stuff that you might like to see in the future, any other ideas. I'm always open to suggestions. I do really want to build this YouTube channel. You can find me on TikTok at the Retro Fairy and Instagram, Twitter. You can go to my website, retrofairy.com, where I'm offering a variety of different metaphysical services, including protection charms and charms in general, just for anti-anxiety and well-being, as well as a variety of tarot readings and birth charts. I'm also doing birth charts, and they're completely customized to you and only you, and they all come with their own special little graphics depending on which one you choose. So thanks for watching. Again, I am Tiff, and I am the Retro Fairy, and this is the Retro Fairy.